Feel them, darling. Feel them.
Wow.
Feel alright?
Mm.
In this video, I'm going to do something special for my wife. Yes, you heard correct. Special. Right? And she's sitting on the bed. What is happening again? Wifey, what am I gonna do?
Pedicure.
Pedicure. But you make it sound so professional. Me I go scrub your foot. Right. So me I go scrub her foot. Right? And me always do it, you know. And me always do it, but you know? Yeah, so it's not like say some long out thing where me do it now and next year me do it. A regular thing. So our foot always soft compliments of me. Right? So you know what thing go? I have to look professional, so me I comb up my hair if you go scrub foot, right? So I could see the foot them. You see them toenail? Toenail are pretty though, brother. Toe are pretty. Clean. Foot bottom want some work though. Today. Alright. So as you can see, let me see next one. I have to take care of my wife. You know when she wear slippers, no girl I look on her say, hey, look on your foot bottom. Alright, so make we start now. Alright, so this is what we are using. What this name? Me always use it, but what name?
I don't know. Foot scrub.
So, you have woman you don't know that?
I don't know any name.
Foot scrub. Then alright, you have woman you call it foot scrub. This look like sandpaper. To me, there's something yeah, we are rough, it look like sandpaper. So not more than a sandpaper they use make it thing. Right? So this side, you know, when you come on to sandpaper, them normally have like different grade, like 400, 300, and then yeah, that's rough. So this side, yeah, softer, we give more refine.
They never give me grow pro me use. Obviously the man not use them.
And this now, this side now we kind of take off all of the roughness, right? But this side smooth it down. Already. Right. Sometimes when I do it with the experience with her now, it ticklish her sometimes, you know what I mean? You know, the scene start jump. Especially when I reach up here so. You see, yes, scene two, you see that? I'm my favorite part, that's it. My favorite part. Alright, so yes, so you see because so you know if it not feel bad. So you see because it's a regular thing, me not have no whole heap of work to do. Right? So me just give it a little I give it what me I do? I give it a rub with the rough part first. Right? Even though it's not so rough. Foot not rough. And then I give it a fine rub with this one, a fine finish. Right? So you don't want to rub continuously, right? For too long because this is friction, right, happening, and you're rubbing, a lot of heat developing. So if I should continue rubbing this for like 1 minute, it will get hot. You don't want to do that to your wife. You don't want to do that to your husband. So you just stop periodically, right? Or just rubbing at certain motion, right? Like this. You understand? Yeah? Yeah. So there you go, guys. You can't send the wife go a road with our foot bottom a crack up. Don't want to crack because I'm there. You know? And all if I work this enough people, it is very that I would say take a lot of energy. Because you look at my face now, me a sweat. So, but I know why. You understand? Alright, so I'm going to use this finer grade part now to give it a finer finish. So when you feel it now, you don't have to feel rough. You understand? So let us go. Alright. Whew. Alright. Alright, so this one finished. Give me the next foot. Alright, so start right here, so. Alright. I have to take care of my wife. Huh? These simple things go far away, you know. Huh? These simple things create bond. Bond, it creates bond. As a couple, whether you're married or not, you need to be doing some kind of activities together. Right? Whether you sit down and play two games, right? You know, you give her a little massage while she's eating her dinner. Or you give her, what you call this again?
Foot scrub.
No, what you call the process? Yeah, the
Oh, pedicure?
pedicure. Alright? While she sit down and relax. You know, she sit down and relax, you know. You could have seen what she had done now, you see. So she there for Instagram, Facebook, that Netflix too. Same time. So she relaxing. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So as I said, these they are not so bad. So we basically going to finish off now. Feel them, darling. Feel them.
Wow.
Feel alright?
Mm-hmm.
Me used to the reply they are the response because every time I do it, it is always amazement. She always look amazed. You know? So, see there? We finish. Wife would feel better. Me feel better. And
So that when we put them by at night time.
yes, because sometimes you know she have her foot them for me at night time, and me no like feet when they feel rough, right? So we ensure say them alright. So subscribe to the channel, right? Please like the video, and you know, leave any comments and so on. So we'll see you again, right? In another video, right, wifey?
Right.
Yeah, we'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.
Bye.